Country master in accounts will list all the country details available in the country master reservation module. This country is available under the menu master. Click on country menu to load country master. Here in the grid, all the country details available in country master of reservation is listed. User can add new country by clicking new. Enter country name in the country name text box. Click on OK to save the entry. The country which is saved in the country master of accounts will not be listed in country master of reservation module. A country master provision is introduced in accounts module for user to add a new country details in the accounts. Suppose if user wants to add a new supplier customer name and the country of the supplier or customer doesn't exist in the country master reservation module, user can use this facility. User wants to edit a country details, just select the entry and click on edit button. User wants to delete a country name, user can select the entry and click delete. User can also search for a particular country by selecting a country name and providing the search data here. The data matching the criteria provided in search text box will be highlighted. Click on close to close this master. This is department master. Department master enables user to enter the department details of the company holding Albatross. This department is available under this master menu. Click on department, load department master. To add a new department, right click on the department head and select add. Provide department name, department code. This is account head combo. This account head combo will list all the accounts available in the account master. Select an account head for this department. The account head selector for each department will be unique. The account head selector for one department may not be will not list in the account head combo of other departments. Click on OK to save the new department. User can also add sub-departments under a department. Right click on the department and select add. Provide sub-department name and sub-department code. Select account code for the sub-department and click on OK to add sub-department under this department. User can view the sub-department details by right clicking on the department and selecting view. Similarly, user can also view or delete sub-departments or department by right clicking and selecting view or delete. User can close this master by clicking close. This is currency master. Currency master is available under this menu. You can load currency master by clicking this currency menu. This is currency master. To add a new currency details, click new. Enter currency name. Select the country from the country combo. This country combo will list all the available countries in country master and assign a symbol for this currency. And click on OK to save the entry. The newly added currency is listed here in this grid. User can also search for a particular currency by selecting a search criteria. User can edit currency details by selecting the entry and click this edit button. User can also delete a data which is not in use by this delete button. User tries to delete a currency which is in use, a message will block user from deleting. This is close button. User can close this master by clicking this close.